AMC's latest episode of The Walking Dead provided some pretty interesting new story paths, and we're taking on the task of predicting where they may lead, but we have a little extra help from the extremely successful comics. This is potentially some super serious spoilers, so be forewarned before trudging forward. Here's what we predict for the next episode of The Walking Dead. We couldn't be more excited for the appearance of one of our favorite characters, Paul Monroe, though his name seems to differ in AMC's take, who goes by the appropriate moniker Jesus based on his similar appearance to the religious figure. In the comics, Jesus comes from another place, a well-developed settlement called Hilltop, which he will propose taking some Alexandrians to visit. Jesus' group lays its hat quite a distance away from Alexandria, but is constantly looking for other groups to trade goods and services with, and potentially help with a big problem you'll have to wait to find out. We're expecting this to remain the same in the television series, though the show seems to make the live-action Jesus a bit more sassy than the comic. The other huge event to come to the latest episode is intense physical relationship between local badasses Rick and Michonne. Something similar happened in the comics between the still living in print Andrea and Rick. Their relationship grew to become essentially the president and powerful badass take no flack First Lady of Alexandria. Unfortunately, we do not expect this to pan out the same way in the television series and expect a huge force to drive them apart. Negan. Look, there's too much at stake and two really huge personalities at play, but seeing as this is such a big change from the comics, we're going with our guts on this one. We'd love to hear what you expect to come from the Sheriff and the Samurai. Let us know what you think in the comments below and give us your own predictions for the upcoming episode. And as usual, for all things Walking Dead, stay right here on IGN.